everyone! Today we are going to be doing a quick haul video of some new gel nail polishes that I have received. I have to say, this is like my second time filming this video. I forgot to unplug my cable modem and it just causes some interference with my microphone, so I'm a little pissed off because I just filmed like half the video and then I remembered I didn't turn it off, so this is my second time filming it. But today I have a lot of really beautiful gel nail polishes to share with you guys because I was scrolling on Instagram and I came across this ad of this website I've never heard of before, and they had a huge sale on their gel nail polishes, and these polishes were about 80% off, which was just ridiculous. I immediately clicked through the site, had to check out the items, and once I saw that it was all legit, I went on a bit of a shopping spree because if you guys aren't familiar with me, gel nail polishes are pretty much the only polishes that I use on my nails. I don't like traditional nail polish because I have just very thin, brittle nails, and gel polish is just the only thing that strengthens my nails enough that I can actually grow them out long without them breaking. So I am just absolutely in love with gel nail polish, and I have been for probably consistently the last 5 years, and I just really can't go back to regular nail polish. I will use it on my toes, but that is just the only place I'm able to use it, so I'm definitely a gel nail polish girl for life, and I do them at home myself. So the website that I got everything from is called headcandypro.com. They have all kinds of beauty stuff. They've got a lot of hair tools, hair products, hair extensions, beauty items, and nail polish, and all kinds of stuff like that, so they've got quite a few things. I will definitely have a link below, and I will also have a referral code below as well that you can use, and you can get a discount off your order. So starting off with a few free gifts that I got. I always love whenever you get like a freebie from a company. So the first thing I got is called the Head Candy Precision Hairspray, and this one is called Style Me Strong Flexible Hold. So I just really like little travel size things, so I'm glad that they included this, and I will definitely be trying that out soon. And then along with it came the Head Candy All-in-One Miracle Spray, and this is called Third Wheel, and it says Amino, Keratin, Heat Protectant, Shine, and Strength Spray. So I'm excited to try that because I can use all of those things. So I'm not gonna lie guys, I got a lot of stuff because this stuff was so marked down, and I'm so happy with everything I got. Gel nail polishes can typically be a little bit more expensive than like a traditional nail polish. I find that usually like the baseline of a gel nail polish could probably be like $8 and up, and that's, I believe, is what the base retail price of these were, but these were like 80% off, so I'm not kidding, I got these for like $1.80 a piece. So you definitely believe I stocked up on a lot of brand new, beautiful, gorgeous, unique colors. So they also had their top and base coat sets, and I think that these were the same price as a regular single bottle of nail polish markdown. So I definitely stocked up on these too because top and base coats are just one of those things that like you really kind of not go through quickly, but it's one of those things you'll always need. So I was like, why wouldn't I get a bunch of these? So I ended up getting 4 boxes of the base and top coat sets, and I'm not sorry at all because like I said, you can always use more of these, and these are actually really like large, generously sized bottles. They are 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces, and it was like 2 for the price of 1, so why wouldn't I? And I did actually use these products last night to do my manicure that I've got on right now. I'll do an up close of this so you can see better, but it's this gorgeous like baby pink holographic sparkle, and I am so in love with them. I'm so happy. So I did get like, I think 54 bottles of nail polish, and I'm not gonna lie you guys, there's probably gonna either be a part 2 or a separate video to this. I think I might do a separate video because I want to get this out. So if you guys are also wanting to take advantage of this really amazing deal, so you can hopefully get these as soon as possible. I don't know how long they're running this promotion for. I don't know if it's a sale. I don't know if they're going out of business. I have no clue. No idea at all. But I'm so thrilled. These are such gorgeous, unique colors, and you guys, they are amazing. So I'm not gonna lie, I went like 95% glitter, sparkle, chunky, like iridescent type of gel polishes. I did get 4 of just like the cream finish kind that are, you know, like no glitter, no shine, no shimmer, just like your typical cream finish polish. So I did get 4 of these, and I'll do up closes of the colors so you can see them a lot better. But what I love so much about this is that their number one, their packaging is so cute, but also if you look on the top, there is a little color indicator, and this is like the actual polish here too. It's not just like a sticker that is close to the same color. Like this is like the actual polish that you can see here. That is absolutely invaluable. I love that it's on the top of the nail polish. It's not like hidden on the bottom or like just a little sticker on the side. Like you can see exactly what colors you are looking at, and that is so amazing, especially for someone who has a large college collection who is trying to find like a specific color, like this is just genius and everyone else should do this. And if they don't, they should. So I'm gonna go rapid fire through all of these colors because I do have a lot of them, and the only one that I have tried so far is the one I'm wearing now, so I will note that whenever I get to it. Okay, so the first color I got is called Charlotte. This one is a cream white color. Next up is kind of like a gray lavender. This one is called Wink. Then we have Envy. This one is that like bright electric lime green color. I have to say I'm not typically drawn to these type of colors, but while I was getting them all, I'm like, why not step out of my comfort zone and get a few more colors I wouldn't typically get? So that one was a little bit of a different color for me. And then I got the color Night Owl. This one is kind of like an almost black. It's definitely like a very dark bluey gray. So those are all of the cream finishes that I got from this haul. I did get a lot more of the cream finishes for my second haul, so definitely check out that video too if those are the more like color or finishes of polishes you're really interested in. I will have more of those later, but all the rest of these are like big chunky bold glitters. There are a few like mixed size glitters, and then there's also some with that very fine tiny sparkle glitter too, so I will try to do them from like a color groupings, but this might be random. Okay, next up we have the color Emerald. This one is just like green glitter. This one is a little bit more of just the one size, like more of a fine glitter, or I would say more of like a mid-size glitter. It's not like the finest, but it's definitely not one of those super chunky ones either. Then we have Seafoam. This one is a little bit more of a bluey green kind of color. This would be like the perfect like Little Mermaid color. It's just, oh, it's so pretty. Then next up we have Mojito. This one is a little bit more of like a translucent base of a color, and then it has some mixed in holographic like minty green glitters. So this one's actually really pretty too. This one I might use as more of like a topper kind of gel polish, because if you do just this color, you're probably going to see a lot of your nail through it, which just depends on if that's the look you're going for or not. Next up we have Funfetti. This one's really pretty because it has like a white glitter as well as like gold and pink and green and blue, so just kind of like your Funfetti cake, but it does have a lot of like white glitter mixed in, which is really pretty. Okay, next up, this one is the only one that I have that did not have a sticker on it. It's just written on the bottom, and this one is called Lost in Space. This is another like chunky mixed glitter. This one has like light blue, dark blue, purple, a little bit of like an orangey reflex too, so that one is so unique. Okay, the next one is the one I'm actually using today for my nails, and again I will have it up close so you can see really what this color looks like, but I'm in love with it. This one is called Allure. This one is like a baby pink mixed size glitter. There's some like big chunky glitters in here and some like really little teeny tiny ones mixed in as well. This one just looks so pretty because I like the chunky ones because it just really catches the light, and I'm so happy with that one. I love it. It's like the perfect like Barbie glitter nails. This one is a very similar color. This one's called Ballet. If I had to say how they're different, I would say Ballet is slightly more towards like the purpley lavendery side, but it's very, very slight. I feel like these two would look extremely similar on the nails, but Ballet just goes a little bit more towards the purpley side. The next one I have is called Tickled. This one is another pink glitter. This one has, I think it's just like a one size glitter, and the difference between this one, it almost has a little bit more of like a matte glitter look to it, and it has a little bit more base color as well. So this one's going to be really interesting because it's not really going to be that super shiny glitter, but almost more of like a satin glitter, which I don't really have many polishes like that, so that'll be interesting to see what that one looks like on the nail. And then the next one is called Reveal. This one makes me think of like a, I guess a gender reveal party. It's got pink mixed glitter with blue glitter mixed in as well. It looks like it's more pink, or at least just from what I can tell in my bottle, it looks like it's mostly pink with a little bit of a blue, but still a really pretty interesting one. Next up we have Cosmo. This one is just like carnival. Oh my gosh, it's pink and orange and blue and all kinds of like mixed size glitters in there. Next up we have Potion. This one is a really fine glitter. It's like a bright pink fuchsia holographic glitter, so this is probably going to be the next one I want to use. Okay, next up we have Ultraviolet. This is another one of those like matte glitters. It almost looks like the purple version of Tickled, kind of like a matte satiny finish purple glitter, so that one's really pretty too. And I don't really do purple nails too often, so I definitely got a few more, including this one called Gypsy. This was another single size glitter, but it's got mixed colors in it. It's like silver and purple and a little bit of like a hot pink in it too. Then we have the color Zoey. This one is a single size glitter. It's got silver and baby pink mixed in. Next up is Spritz. This one has a mixed size glitter. It looks like orange and pink and a little bit of yellow too, so that one almost kind of reminds me of like a almost like a pink lemonade. Next up is Mittens. This one is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this one's like a lavender reflexy bluey kind of sparkle with silver and purple and blue all mixed in together. It is a fine single size glitter. Next up, this is a unique one. This one's called Barefoot. This one is like a corally peachy pink, and then it has like a turquoisey blue and minty green reflex glitter in there, and they are all a single size glitter. Next up is Tinsley. This one is kind of different. I don't know how to describe this one. I need to open this one up to actually look at it. This one is more of like a red glitter with large silver hexagonal holographic silver in here. This one's very, very different. I feel like that one might be a really cute Christmas color too. It's not super red. It almost goes a little bit more towards like red pink. And then this one's kind of similar to the last one, but without the silver in it. This one's called Fruit Punch. Again, it's that red, hot pink, mixed size glitter, a little bit of orange in there too. And then this is the last of the pink ones. This one's called Razzberry with Z's. This one's just like a single size glitter with just like a hot pink red type of glitter to it. Okay, moving on to some like blues and silvers. These are all kind of mixed in as well. We've got, this one is so fun. I can't wait to try this one. This one's called Joyride. I don't know how to describe this one. It's mainly blue with a little bit of like purple and pink reflex and totally mixed size, all kinds of like big chunky, like, I don't know if you can see that, but that is another like carnival looking one. This one might have to be my next one that I use actually. Then we have the color Shasta. This one is like a baby blue. It almost reminds me of like a Cinderella kind of color. It looks like baby blue and maybe a little bit of like silver mixed in too. It's also just a one size fine glitter. And then next up we have Eclipse. This one is just a mixed size silver holographic one. And then this one actually kind of looks kind of similar. This one's called Cosmic. The only difference is I feel like this one is a little bit more white toned base, whereas the Eclipse color almost goes a little bit slightly like a bluey silver. Then we have Castle. Again, kind of similar to those, but this one is just a single sized silver glitter holographic. Then next up we have Revolver. This one is a single size glitter. This one is just like a straight silver, no holographic reflex to it. And then this one is called Diamond. This is another silver holographic mixed size glitter. And then we have the color Vixen. This one is a mixed size glitter and it's kind of like a pale tealy blue kind of color. This one totally reminds me of Cruella de Vil. This one is called Shindig and it's like a matte white silver sparkle with black sparkle mixed in. It's kind of more of like a chunkier size glitter too. Then we have the color Highway. This one is like a black base with silver holographic sparkles mixed in. Okay, moving on to the last set. These are like browns, golds, and orangey kind of colors. So this one is really hard to describe. This one's called Venture. This one has large blue, orange, and silver glitter mixed in with like a small silver holographic glitter. Then we have the color Country. This one is like a bronze glitter with a small bronze glitter and then like a silver chunky glitter. This one I think is going to be another like good Christmas color. This one's called Gifted. It is like a platinumy silver gold mixed size with a red gold glitter. Then we have the color Treasure. This one is a silver and a gold mixed glitter. Next is Dreamcatcher. This one is like gold, bronze, and turquoise, all mixed size glitters. This one is called Goldilocks. This one is just like a very, very fine gold glitter. This one kind of seems like it has a little bit of a base color to it too. It's very like soft, not a chunky glitter at all. Next up we have Posh. This one's more of like the most platinumy gold. It's very light pale gold, all one size and all one color. Then next up we have Hayride. It's basically the same as the last one, but just a lot more gold. And then we have Prosper, again, same as the last two, but this one's more yellow gold. So I'd say Hayride is orangier, Prosper is like middle tone gold, and then Posh is like light silvery gold. And then the last gel polish I have is called Toffee. This one is like a holographic bronze, which I've never really seen a color like this before. It's so pretty though. This one is definitely going to be a fall color for me. All right, and then the last thing I got, I think I got this on accident because I've never used dip powders and I didn't even buy the special like top coat, base coat, activator, whatever it all is to actually use the dip coat. So since I ended up buying another set of polishes that we'll see soon, I ended up getting the dip set for that, and I think I got 2 other colors just to kind of try out the dip. So I did get this on an accident. So we will definitely have to see in the future how the whole dip nail polish works out. I've never done it before, so it'll be a learning process for me as well. Okay guys, so that is it for everything I got from this first part of the haul video. Like I said, I want to try to get this up really quickly, so that way if you guys want to take advantage of the sale as well, hopefully it will still be going. If it's not, I absolutely apologize. I'm so sorry. But I do want to say I really love these polishes so far, just like looking at them and having actually used one of them to see like, you know, what the quality is like. I'm extremely happy with them, and I would totally buy these full price too. So I really do hope they're not going out of business, and I hope it was just like a crazy sale that they were doing, because I am so looking forward to like getting my nail polishes from them, because these are just, I really like them a lot. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.